In this video, we will show you how to unblock someone in Facebook in 2025 because many change layout on the Facebook. Maybe you are difficult how to unblock someone on Facebook now. To unblock someone on Facebook, you can just click on your profile like this and select settings and privacy. After that, just choose settings. Then on the left panel, you can scroll down and select blocking. Just click the blocking and you can click the edit button on the block profiles and pages. Just click this. Now click see your blocked list. For example, we want to unblock these people. Just click unblock button and select confirm. Now the people or someone has been unblocked successfully. And that's all tutorial how to unblock someone in Facebook in 2025. If you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.